Hi, I'm Dr. Spahr with Pediatric Pulmonology. Can you tell me Elise's name and date of birth, please? I know that she's here for a cough today, but what I usually try to do first is actually do a little exam, and I'm going to have you help me out with the examination a little bit. So what I'm seeing is Elise is breathing comfortably. It looks like her nose is clear. She's able to breathe through her nose easily. I don't see any congestion of the nose. Elise, can you come on up to the camera and open up your mouth for me, please? And we'll have your mom shine the light in your mouth. Excellent. Just tip your head down just a tiny bit. Perfect. That is great. All right, thank you very much. So why don't you tell me a little bit about why Elise is seeing me today? And Elise, maybe we'll start off with you.
Well, whenever I'm active, I get short of breath and I cough a lot.
Oh, okay. Well, how long has this been happening?
Like a month or so.
I did notice that at some point you did have a chest x-ray. Did you go to urgent care for that?
We went at the beginning of it when it seemed like it was the worst.
I was actually able to look at it myself, and I'm going to try and share my screen now so that we can look at it together. Can you see the x-ray that I'm looking at now?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
I agree with what they said. Everything looks clear. It's a normal x-ray.
So that's very reassuring, okay?
Okay.
I think what we're going to do is
We're going to prescribe a medication.
to help open up her lungs and help with her cough.
And actually, I see here you have Geisinger Health Plan.
And so I should be able to send that through, and they can send it via mail order. Is that okay with you?
That would be great.
All right.
You're going to need a little bit of instruction on how to use these inhaler medications.
So we will send you written instructions in the mail. But if you're on the My Geisinger portal, you should be able to pull up those instructions later on today so you know how to give these medications to Elise, okay?
Okay.
Well, it's great talking with you today. Please get a hold of me if you have any questions. We'll send you my
Phone number, and then you can always email me through the Geisinger portal.
nice meeting you. We'll talk to you later, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Okay, bye.